Is it okay to wear underwear for a short period of time, get back home and remove them and wear them again without having to wash them, but still use them again? Subscribe. Hi there, Vee Gang. It's a girl Vee Moti, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming through to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you so much for coming through. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And for regular subby, welcome back. So as you can tell from this episode, we're gonna have a little girl talk, and I asked people to fill in T.M.I questions they may have. It's a little chit chat session that we're gonna have, and I have the questions with me here that you guys asked. Of course, I'm not gonna share who asked me what, but I'm gonna share with you the questions and I'm gonna answer them as best as I can. Okay, let's get started then. So the very first question is, how do I keep my vagina smelling fresh throughout the whole day? So I have a video about how to take care of your vagina that I did. I'll link it up there and you can check it out. But since this question was asked again, I normally walk around with a small pack of wipes in my bag. So like, you can have a bigger one or a smaller one, whatever, however you decide to do your thing, it's fine. But a smaller one is good for those smaller bags. You just put it in there, and every time you go to the bathroom, after you've urinated, you wipe yourself with tissue, and then you wipe yourself with wipes, or you can wipe yourself with wipes directly, and that kind of helps to keep you freshen up throughout the whole day, especially when it's super hot, even when it's cold. It kind of just helps you smell fresh throughout the whole day. And then panty liners are absolutely really good for you. Not that you use them when you're on your period, but you know how females have got a specific discharge. Everybody has some form of discharge and some form of a smell. Yes, so panty liners are pretty good. You just kind of like place them onto your underwear, like quickly, and then maybe after like a couple of hours, instead of collecting discharge onto your underwear, which absolutely adds to more smell, you can collect discharge onto your panty liner. After a couple of hours, you remove it and you place a new one onto your underwear, or you can go the whole day with it and then remove it. Depends with what you want to do and what's more comfortable and convenient and affordable for you. But panty liners are absolutely, you'd use them when you're not on your period. Some people with a light flow actually do use panty liners as a form of pads, but in the event that you do have a heavy flow, you actually have to use your pad. But panty liners, wipes are pretty good to ensuring that you smell good throughout the whole day. And generally, when you smell good throughout your whole body, it's not so much smell that comes from the vaginal area, and drinking a lot of water also helps with keeping you smelling fresh throughout the whole day. All right, so the next question is it okay to wear one pad throughout the day if my flow is low? I'm not a doctor, but I don't think it's okay for you to wear one pad throughout the whole day, because periods generally, it's meant to be released and thrown away. Blood is released and you throw the pad away. So I don't think it's a good idea for you to wear one pad throughout the whole day. Are G-strings bad? No, G-strings are not bad in my opinion, especially when you're going to wear them for a specific outfit, maybe tight pants, a tight dress, or white pants, depending with whatever it is you're wearing that requires you to wear a G-string. However, wearing them too much kind of creates an airlock that creates a breeding ground for bacteria and stuff. So they're not bad, but don't overdo them. I'd suggest you wear like cotton underwear throughout most periods of the time that you don't need to wear a G-string. You get. Number 4 is it normal to have discharge from your private area? And the answer is yes. Every woman has some form of discharge. When it is obviously gray, green, blue, red, or all those other mysterious colors, then which is not a period, you can go and see your doctor and it can be something serious. But generally women have some form of a discharge, and normally it is white. And yeah. Are bikini wax painful? Yes, emphatically yes, but as you continue to do them over and over, it becomes better. But the pain, guys, waxing is waxing, okay, no matter where exactly you do it. But I feel like on the private area, bikini wax is excruciatingly painful. But as you do it more and more, it becomes better. But the answer is yes, they are painful. Another question is, how do I keep my breath smelling fresh throughout the whole day? So obviously you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you drink water, and then in the afternoon, if you're gonna eat something, brush your teeth again. I'd advise staying away from things like garlic, onion, ginger in the afternoon, because they have a very strong smell, so to avoid your whole body smelling of garlic and stuff like that, avoid them in the afternoons. And then in the evenings, you can obviously have your ginger and whatever else you want to have, that's cool. But I think it's important to brush your teeth at least 3 times a day. So that means you carry your little toothbrush, your toothpaste, and after you have your meal, you go to the bathroom, you quickly brush, and you're good to go. Also, it's a good thing to carry mint or gum in your bag. Mint flavor is good for you to smell fresh in your mouth before you speak to people. But gum is complicated because you can't really be talking to people and you're chewing gum. So maybe if you're driving for a meeting, you just put in some gum and you chew as you're driving, and then when you get there, throw it away and you're good to go. Your breath will be good enough for you to communicate and talk to people without scaring anybody away. Okay. Is it normal to have some darkness around your lady parts? Yes, it is normal to have darkness around the lady parts. I don't know why, it's very ironic because it's kind of covered all the time. So how exactly is it darker? But I think that, as you grow up and then you be shaving hair or using depilatories and stuff, I feel like maybe, in my own opinion, maybe depilatories burn your skin a little in that area, so maybe that's why it's a bit darker. But yes, it is normal for you to have a darker, coloring around your lady area. Next question is, should I shave down there? Okay, this is like a major question that many people, it's like a debate. Some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. I personally think it depends with your own preference and what's more comfortable for you. In my own opinion, I think it's important for you to shave because hair is a breeding ground for bacteria. The vaginal area needs to breathe, basically. So I think that shaving is a good idea, but some people say that shaving is not a good idea. I think it's up to you personally how you feel about that. But in my own opinion, I think, yes, shaving down there is a good idea. Is spraying perfume to smell better down there good? Emphatically not, as in no. It is not a good idea because it disturbs your pH balance. It creates room for bacteria. This is where you get all these infections, all these smells, and all these, mysterious things happening. Do not do it. You need to know that every woman has a specific smell. I understand that, and it is absolutely normal when it is stinking type of smell or smelling like fish and stuff like that, then you need to go see your doctor. But other than that, it is normal. It is normal to have a specific scent to you. It's different from the next person, and it is normal. There are people who talk about feminine washes and stuff like that, but I personally think that there's side effects to that, and they may affect pH balances. If anyone does know about some feminine products that are purely organic and really good for vaginal areas, you can actually let us know in the comment sections down below. But from my history and from my discussions I've had with gynecologists and stuff, they generally advise you not to do that. Okay, should I shave my legs and armpits? Again, it's up to you, a personal preference, but I think that it is a good idea to shave your legs just to give them this smooth, clean look, and your armpits as well, especially in summer. Not that in winter it's not important, but in summer, guys, it is too hot for you to be walking around with hair in there and smelly armpits. You shave it, you use roll-on, you're good to go, sis. Is it okay to wear underwear for a short period of time, get back home and remove them and wear them again without having to wash them? Okay, I get the scenario. Well, let's say it's a G-string situation, right? You are going for like a dinner and it's like 1 hour or whatever. You wear your G-string, you do your thing, you go back home, you wear regular undies or your boxers for sleeping or whatever it is, right? I think that it is important for you to wash your underwear every single time you wear it, despite how long you have worn it for. Does that make sense? Every single time you wear something, you wash it. That's what I think. Is it okay to bath once a day even if I'm on my period? I guess it's okay. I mean, the question is it okay to bath once a day when I'm on my period? Yes, but in my own opinion, I think it's important for you to bath in the morning and the evening. Blood smells, as in, guys, no one wants to smell your blood or your period or, you know, all that stuff. Sis, bath in the morning, bath in the evening, bath in the afternoon, even if you can. You get what I'm saying? Like, make sure that water is your friend, especially when you're on your period. Next question is, how do you get rid of acne on the booty area? I'm sure there's like oils for this, like maybe try and bio oil or any other form of organic oil. You can go to a pharmacy, you can go to a dermatologist and explain to them your situation. But I think that there are things that you can use to get rid of acne, and I'd suggest bio oil. But as I said, I'm not a doctor. You'd need to go see someone who's like a professional in the field to see what type of acne it is and what would be best for you. But I think that bio oil should do the job. What would you suggest to use for stretch marks? I think that bio oil has been good for some people and maybe not as effective for other people, but as far as I know, bio oil is good for removing stretch marks. You can also go see a dermatologist, your doctor, a pharmacist, and explain to them your situation. They probably have something that's more specific to your specific problem, but bio oil generally should be good enough for you to get rid of stretch marks. So yeah, guys, this is like my little girl talk chit chat session that I wanted to have with you guys. Thank you so much for asking your questions. If you have any more questions, just hit me up and I will be willing to reply you directly or do another YouTube video about it. I am totally cool with it. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. Have an amazing week. God bless.